Hello friends, welcome to 5 minutes Excel channel. In today's video, we will see a shortcut key called CTRL H. In this video, if you want to find a word and if you want to replace that word to another word, this key will help you. So how it works, let's start the video. Press CTRL H on your keyboard, and if you want to find the word the employee, just type out the employee, and you want to replace employee with people, then type the word people, then say replace. Here there is a word employee, it is replaced by people, you can see, and there is no word called employees furthermore. So if you want to do for another word like material, you type material and replace with belongings, just for our understanding. Here is the word material, and just say replace raw belongs shortage, like this it comes. So I hope this shortcut key help you to reduce your work and improve your competency in your work. So please share and subscribe to my channel 5 minutes Excel. Thank you.